Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off red receipts on Instagram step by step. So if you're looking for it, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it to open your message settings. Now look for the option called Show Red Receipts. All you have to do is toggle it off. Once you turn off red receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people read your messages. It works both ways. And that's it. Now you can message freely without worrying about red receipts. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.